Test thermostat operation by verifying voltage between the common terminal and each control terminal. C to G for fan, C to W for heat, C to Y for cooling, and C to R for 24-volt power. Start by turning off power to the system at the breaker, then remove the thermostat cover to expose the wiring and identify the terminal labels. C for common, R for 24-volt supply, W for heat call, Y for cooling call, and G for fan call. With the system powered and the multimeter set to measure AC voltage at 24 volts, place the black lead on C and the red lead on R to confirm the presence of steady 24-volt power before making any calls. For a fan-only test, place the red lead on G while observing the furnace or air handler blower. A reading near 24 volts indicates the thermostat is commanding the fan. For a heating call, place the red lead on W and confirm the control board recognizes the call and initiates the ignition or electric heat sequence while monitoring voltage continuity. For cooling, place the red LED on Y and confirm the outdoor condensing unit starts and the control board registers the call. If the condensing unit fails to start despite a correct voltage on Y, check the contactor and transformer. Always isolate capacitors, avoid touching live terminals, and note that some systems use direct current control or proprietary communication, in which case refer to the equipment manual or consult an experienced technician. 3 common mistakes are testing without the common terminal identified, which can give misleading readings. Solution: trace the C conductor to the control board and physically verify it is the transformer common. Second mistake is measuring with the multimeter in the wrong voltage range or on resistance when the circuit is powered, producing false results or damaging the meter. Solution: always set the meter to the correct AC voltage range for 24-volt systems and verify the meter on a known source first. Third mistake is assuming a correct voltage at the thermostat guarantees downstream components function. Solution: follow the voltage call with visual and audible confirmation of the equipment response and, if needed, test at the control board terminals to distinguish thermostat failure from equipment or wiring faults. BigHomeProjects.com matches homeowners to local contractors for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning and other home systems, helping homeowners find trusted professionals quickly. Contractors can list services and receive quality leads, making it easier to grow their business and connect with reliable local work.